Yeah, what a corny joke.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T here.
And Sprinkles.
And today we're going to be doing the Nano Tape Bubbles Challenge.
So if you guys are wondering what a Nano Tape bubble is, it's viral. It's been all over the internet.
And you must be living under a rock if you don't know what it is. Just kidding. But it's been all over the internet, and we have this Nano Tape Bubbles kit right here that we sell on our website at shoppsiloveit.com, where you can make your very own Nano Tape Bubbles.
So inside this kit, we'll have everything that you need to make a nano bubble tape.
You can make it filled with air, slime, and even water.
All right. Enough talking about nano tape. Let's go ahead and start this challenge.
So today we are going to be making different kinds of fruits. We have different ones in this bowl. I call it a fruit bowl.
Yeah, what a corny joke. I wonder what she's gonna get. I hope she gets a hard one. All right, I got mine.
Okay, I'm gonna be making an orange Nano Tape Bubbles.
I'm gonna be making an apple.
But before we get started, we have to figure out what type of Nano Tape Bubbles we're going to make. I got this one first. I got air.
And I got slime.
All right, let's do it. Ready, set, go.
I'm nervous, but let's go ahead and cut some of our tape here. I'm just gonna go about 1.5 to 2 inches. I'm actually gonna double it up. And one long piece. So here are my 2 pieces. I'm actually gonna take one off. The other one I'm gonna leave alone and just put it on top of each other like this and press down. And now I'm gonna try to make a shape of an apple.
First off, I'm gonna cut some nano tape. Going to color my nano tape orange because I'm making it orange.
Now I have the slime and we're gonna put it into our little apple filling. Ooh, look how clear and pretty it is. Ah, so satisfying. Let's take some out. Ooh, and now we're gonna stuff it into our apple. Do the same thing as before, but this time we're gonna peel both. One.
Now I need to make my pocket by pressing the bottom and the side, leaving a hole at the top. I got some heart sequins, 2 scoops, and I think 3 scoops will be enough. Inserting my metal straw, pressing to seal, and peeling off the plastic protective film. Blow dry for 60 seconds. To blow it up, going to pinch and blow.
Now we have to cut the extra tape off. Okay, now it's time to draw the stem for the apple. Now I'm gonna peel this off and then I'm gonna stick it on my apple. Just like this.
Time to make the stem and draw a leaf. Going to cut it with scissors. Adding my stem and leaf.
Ah, it's so cute. What do you guys think of my apple?
What do you guys think of my orange?
Let us know in the comments down below which one you like more, my apple slime
Or my orange filled with air. Let us know who's the winner of this challenge.
Let us know what nano bubble tape we should make next time down in the comments down below.
Also, remember to dream big,
Have fun!
and be kind. Bye!